MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel, which is Life as Mona B. It will be linked in the description box below, and it's always up in the iCard section above. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Help your girl grow her following. So make sure you guys are following me on there, because you guys, I share my stories, like, and things like that, like little updates. I ask you guys like what type of hairstyles you want me to do next and things like that, and it's faster for me to interact with you guys. So if you've not followed me on Instagram, make sure you do so. Okay, so I decided to come on here and turn on the camera because I'm about to do my hair to film a video, and I'm doing my natural hair today. So I just thought that I would come on here and chit chat with y'all. I have some gel braids in my head that look a hot mess. I done had these in for, I think, 4 days because I've been wearing wigs. So I just wanted to come on here and I guess show you guys like a realistic way of me doing my hair. Not that when I do hair tutorials and things like that, they aren't realistic, because they definitely are. But this is just me trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my natural hair for the day when I do wear my natural hair out. Which sometimes can be a struggle, which I know, contrary to popular belief, I know that's probably like hard to believe, because you guys know I do so many different styles and things like that. But usually when I style my hair, I plan those styles out, like I plan for them, which I have styles planned. But today I'm just wearing my natural hair just however. So sometimes it is a bit of a struggle. Although, y'all, I'm into hair and I do hair, sometimes I get stumped on what to do with my hair as well. Like, I don't want y'all to think that I just always know what to do with my hair, and especially when my hair is growing out. So if you guys did not know, I've been growing my hair out, I believe, since, when did I start growing my hair out? December, November? I don't know, be on the screen. Y'all, I'm so terrible with dates. And you know what? The last video that I did where I was updating y'all about my natural hair journey, I've miscounted. I've been natural for 8 years, not 7. So I totally miscounted, but that just goes to show, like, when you've been natural for so long and you've done so many hairstyles, I cannot keep up with my own situation. But I definitely miscounted, so I have to update it in the description box. So forgive me, y'all, I was off a year. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to do to my hair, most likely when I wear my natural hair out and I haven't planned for a style for the day, or I haven't prepped my hair or anything like that. When it's just in its fro, I usually just go for a puff, especially with it being at the length that it is currently. I don't want to say I'm at the awkward length, because I don't know, I don't want to put that in a universe. I was talking about this too on the vlog channel. I don't necessarily want to claim it and say the awkward stage, because I feel like in any stage of your natural hair you can style. But I'm not even going to sit up here and lie. My hair is at a difficult stage where it's like, I don't want to keep doing twist styles to it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's boring, and I don't even want to bore you guys with twist styles, and I don't bore myself. When you've been natural so long, it's just like, oh my god, like, how many twist styles can you possibly do? Not to say that I won't ever do them, y'all, but it's just that I don't want to do them at the moment. You know, you don't want to do something you're not into. So I'm like, you know, I've been trying to come up with styles that I can do with just my hair, where I'm not adding like extensions or anything like that, because I have a lot of hair tutorials in mind that I'm going to do, but of course they all include adding hair. But it's just right now my hair is at a length to where I don't want to bore y'all with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, it's only so much I can do with this length. So I was saying on my vlog channel, like, I'm definitely still going to do hair tutorials, but I'm going to start busting them out a lot more once my hair gets just a smidget longer. Because it's just kind of like, I don't know, y'all, it's weird. Like, I kind of feel like since I've been on YouTube for so long and I've done so many like twist styles and things like that, that I just don't even want to bore y'all with them. And my hair is at the length right now where that is pretty much, I ain't gonna say that's the only thing I can do, because it's not. I'm gonna still do some, but that's like the bulk of the things that I can do. And it's just like, I'm not gonna bore my audience. And then it's like, I could just wear my hair like this in a fro, but I don't want to wear my hair like this, because I don't know, I like my fro to look a certain way, and it's a little bit too straight at the top because I had those braids in or whatever. So my hair is like completely stretched out. I still have a little color on the tips of my hair. So I guess this video is more so to show y'all, like, I'm just like y'all, you know. I have days where I'm just like, what am I gonna do with this hair? And y'all already know me. When I'm having a day like that, y'all already know I will haul off and go to the barbershop tomorrow. Like, y'all know me. I will roll up at the barbershop tomorrow and get all of this cut off. Cause I'm just like, when my hair gets to this stage, I'm just like over it. It's just, I don't know. It looks longer in the front. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and puff it out, honestly. But I just wanted to show y'all the realistic. You know what I'm saying? I'm like y'all. Some days I'm just like, I don't know what to do with this on my head. Like, I don't know what to do with it. And the first thing that comes to mind is me to go cut it. I mean, I'm not gonna cut it, but that is the first thing that comes to mind. So I was thinking, like, maybe should I recreate some of my older styles when my hair was this length and see if I can do them the exact same way that I did them before. I think I may do some videos like that. I think that would be fun. You know, like, try to follow my own video on how to do my hair. And y'all know what's so funny about that? A lot of times I do that anyway. Sometimes I forget, like, how did I do that? And I have to go back and look at the video. And I'm like, oh, I did do it that way. Because, you know, when you've been on YouTube for so long and you've done so many styles, you have almost, I think I'm at almost 500 videos, y'all. That's a lot of videos. Sometimes I forget stuff. Sometimes I forget stuff. And I'm like, oh, I haven't used that product in a long time. Let me go buy that. Oh, I forgot about this mascara. Oh, I forgot about this lipstick. Let me go get that. It kind of happens that way. So this in my hair is pretty moist because I used Miss Know It All from Hair Just 1933. So my hair is moist. And yeah, and that was 4 days ago. Okay, so get y'all some Miss Know It All, period. It works great. But as y'all can see, my hair is definitely growing. I could just wear it like this, but I want it to be a little bit more up at the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a puff. I'm gonna puff it out. I'm just like y'all, although I do know how to style hair and I have a lot of different styles up in my noggin. I have days where I'm like, oh my god, I need to film a video. I want to wear my natural hair out today. What am I going to do? What am I going to do to my hair? And literally a puff, I'm just doing my little knot method. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how I do my puff, I will link some in the description box. But I just had them days where I'm just like, what I'm gonna do to my hair? I actually do need. Would y'all want to see an updated tutorial on like how I like my afro to look? Because I haven't worn my afro just like this in so long, and I think that would be a cool tutorial to do. And I miss my afro. Like that. Fun fact about me: a lot of people ask me what's my favorite hairstyle ever. One hairstyle for the rest of my life, I will pick my fro. Yeah, I will pick my fro for the rest of my life because there's so much I can do with it. Although I'm sitting here complaining about how I'm just like. But I'm only just saying that because I don't want to do no I'm so unprepared for this video. I just do not want to bore y'all with just like twist outs and you know. But I do have tutorials y'all in my head. I'm using some Eagle Style gel. But if you guys have any suggestions on what type of hair tutorials you guys want to see on my real hair, let me know at this length. Because I guess this is considered to be the awkward length in the natural hair world. But I don't be wanting to claim that because, you know, you can get around that. It's just that I don't want to bore y'all or myself. So I'm just like, girl, what could I do? What could I do? But it's weird because I feel like my hair just, I don't know, it just grew crazy out of nowhere. Like, I don't know what happened. Like, it just, I don't know. It just started growing. Like, so crazy. And I know someone's going to ask, like, what did you do? Y'all, I didn't do anything that I don't normally do. I literally do the same thing, which is the bare minimum. Believe it or not. All I use is black Jamaican castor oil, and I wash my hair. Yeah, I barely even deep condition. I've told y'all this. I deep condition, don't get me wrong, but I don't deep condition like I should. Like when I first went natural, y'all, I was like a deep conditioning queen. As the years went on, y'all, Let me see. When's the last time I deep conditioned? I believe when I showed y'all that Good Naturally deep conditioner, by the way, which is a phenomenal deep conditioner. It's just that I'm just lazy, and it's one extra step in my wash routine that I do not feel like doing. I'm gonna just be honest. But y'all should not be like me. I always tell y'all this. Please make sure you're deep conditioning your hair. You know, I deep condition, but the thing about it is though, I will say this: I don't deep condition a whole lot like I should, but I do. When I'm in the shower and when I am washing my hair, I'm doing my curly cues. I let the conditioner sit on my hair while I wash my body. So, and then think about it, that's so good because the steam and the moisture is just getting all up into your hair. And that's what I used to do when I was relaxed. And I guess it's working, y'all, because I don't be having no problems with my hair. Like, that's what my mom taught me. My mom always taught me in the shower, you wash your hair. And then you, after you wash your hair, shampoo your hair, you put your conditioner on. And then you know how the steam in the shower is going. And then you wash your body. And when you're done with washing your body, you rinse off your, you rinse out your conditioner. And I feel like those are like mini, and I do that every wash day. So I feel like I do deep conditioning, honestly. I just don't do the whole dryer thing. But in my opinion, that's just as good because the shower gets steamy. So I'm not even going to be trying to say, I don't need nobody to come in trying to say she don't deep condition because yes, I do. I just told y'all what I do. And that's my form of deep conditioning. You know what I'm saying? We don't do rules over here. We don't do rules over here. So yeah, y'all just thought I would come on here while I was doing my hair. Because I never get on here like when I'm just doing my hair to do like another video. Unless I'm just, you know, doing my hair for a tutorial. But this is what it would look like, y'all. If I wasn't filming and I was just going to go run errands or whatever. This is typically what I do when I don't know what else to do to my hair. I just do this. It's quick. It's easy. Yeah. That's just what I do. Let me tell y'all what's so funny. But before I started YouTube, y'all, I've always planned out my hair. Like when I was in high school or middle school or whatever, I always planned out like what hairstyles I was gonna be rocking. I've always been the type to plan out my hair. Comment down below if you've always been the type to plan out your hair. So even if I wasn't on YouTube, I would still be that person that, well, okay, I'm wearing this outfit on Friday, so I want my ponytail to look like this, or I want my hair to look like this, or when I wear this, shirt, I want my box braids to look like this. That was totally me. For real, for real. And that's always been me. I really wish I had got on YouTube when YouTube first came about, because I was still in high school when YouTube first came about. And it's weird because I used to have a camera that I would like vlog on. And one day when I get my hard drive fixed, I'm gonna put that footage out so y'all can see. I'm gonna put this scarf on for a minute to lay down my hairline. But anyways, I just totally lost where I was going with that. What was I saying? Oh my gosh, y'all. What was I talking about? I just wanted to come on here and show y'all realistically how it looks when I'm off camera and what I go through. And today was one of them days where it was just like, I have braids, I want to wear my afro out. Guess I'm just going to do a puff, you know? And I think that's every natural's go-to. So yeah, I'll come back and show y'all what my hair is looking like, which I'm sure y'all already know, but I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna leave this on for about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. I'm back. Don't y'all hate when y'all put y'all scarf on or whatever, then it mess up your makeup? So then you got the line. I always had a line and I never fix it. I'm gonna fix it today. And don't you hate when you do your edges? This video is funny because I'm just literally on here ranting. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna post it because I don't know, it's just fun. So y'all, this is what I'm doing. This is how she's coming. This is what I'm rocking with. It's crazy because I feel like I just had a shaved head and like, where'd all the hair come from? But I'm not gonna go to the barbershop. I'm not gonna do it, okay? So I don't need you guys in the comments. So I know how y'all like to try to do me. Y'all be trying to play me in the comments. Don't be in the comments talking about, Mona, you better not. I set a goal to grow my hair out for the next, let me see. This is how you know I'm lying. I'm not lying. Okay, I'm gonna try to grow my hair out for the next 2 years. Okay, hopefully y'all still be watching me in the next 2 years. Yeah, y'all better be here in the next 2 years, period. If y'all want to see if I grew my hair out. No, but I'm gonna grow it out, y'all. I'm gonna grow it out. So y'all better stay tuned, because I'm gonna try to get it to the longest y'all have ever seen it before I ever. No, but I kind of want to grow my hair out too. Like, I just want to grow out one good time again, because previously, like you guys know, I wasn't on YouTube when I did it before. So if you haven't checked out the video and you want to see my hair, linked in the description box below. Okay, I should be a rapper because my flow is so dope. Woo! Okay, I don't know. I'm feeling real good today, y'all. I'm feeling real good today. So I just want to come on and give y'all some of this feel good energy. Okay? It's my hair. This is what I'm rolling with. Just a little puff. It's raining in Georgia, so I'm probably going to regret this. I'm sure I'll be looking like a shriveled up mushroom by the end of the day. But you know what? It's all good. It's all good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And be cool. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting my channel over the years. I appreciate you guys. And leave y'all suggestions. Let me know what y'all want to see me do with just my hair. What y'all want to see. Let me know. I ain't doing no wash and go. I hate doing those. Because it's not a wash and go. It's a wash and do the most. And I hate doing them. I hate them. Okay, I do. Like, I just don't want to do a wash and go. Anything else though, I got y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got y'all. So let me know. Let your girl know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.